Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 10th class 14th lesson and the second lecture. In first lecture already we discussed, right? How should did India support the war or not? To support Britishers or not? To the fight against Britishers or not? So they in that previous session we discussed and what are the Indian Government Act 1935 and they given to right to vote and then discuss the Congress party divided as a two part. One is to has to be support and one we didn't want to support the war. And then finally the Winston Churchill they wants to give the Dominion states. Then finally Indians want to completely independence, complete freedom, and they didn't accept. Then the most of the those who are the ruled by the state provinces, the provinces conducted 11 provinces. Among them, the 11 Congress won the 8 and they become a prime minister and they resign. We can say that after the 20 months, 24 months, they were the resign and they started agitation. Right? See, not only one party is the INC, that is the Indian National Congress, and many party and many organizations are the what were the against the Britishers and among them themselves also. So among them, one is Muslim League. What Nana? One is the Muslim League. See, we can consider this Muslim League is there mainly the cause for the nowadays we have the Pakistan, the partitions of India. The Muslim League wants to only the protect the Muslims. Those who are the Muslims, their interest only has protected their interest. See, we can see consider when we got the Muslim League found 1906. When they found the 1906. See, initial days when they found 1906, initial days their only agenda, only goal is to protect those who are landlords, those who are the jamindars, those who are the rich fellows, and belongs to the only the Muslim community. They protect, they serve only they work in their interest of those who are the Muslim communities, not only those who are the poor and those who are the middle class, only the rich class and the rich people and those who are the UP landlords, rich Muslims and the jamindars, or those who are belongs to Muslim jamindar. Only the Muslim League worked only the protect their interest on the UP landlord, those are rich Muslims and those who are the belongs to the jamindar. Only this kind of they formed by the Muslim League. But after the day by day, after the year by year, only they work only they want to the only Muslims came the representative the only Muslims came the develop the only Muslims. This kind of the plenty idea, this kind of the shitty thoughts they want and the most towards the future, and these are only Muslims interest, only Muslim interest, and they demanded separate constituency. The separate constituency for Muslims. They demanded separate constituency for the Muslim and they started their conduct elections. They contest election also, and starting in the we already discussed in the elections were conducted in the 11 provinces. Among them 11, 2 Muslim League owned and 8 INC. 8 provinces owned by INC, 2 owned by the Muslim League. One is the Justice League and Justice Party. Some other party is there. See, when they got only the 2% vote, when they got only 2% vote. Fine. Nowadays, what we call North-West Frontier. North-West Frontier. This is nowadays what we call. This is the Pak. What is that? This is the Pakistan. On that area, in the elections conducted, when you see, this is the interest of the Muslims. The 1906 to UP landlords and resemble their interest, and the only Muslim interest they separate they want to the separate constituency for the Muslims, that the Muslims should be elected and they can protect their Muslims' rights. Only the work on the only the Muslims' interest. See, in the election was conducted in 1937. In 1937, the Muslim League owned only 2 provinces. Only 2 provinces among the 11. Only 2 provinces among the 11, and they get most of the 4% of the interest. 4% of the votes, 4% of the votes. But when it comes to the 1947, they won altogether 86% of the vote. See, 86% of the vote, and mostly they won. Among them, 506 were contested and 484 the seats they won. See, here the only 4% is here the true. And when it comes to the 1947, 86% of the vote they collected in the Muslim area. Among them, 506 they won in the 484 seats in the those who are the Muslim areas contested. See, this kind of changes were happened in the Muslim areas. And next, Hindu Mahasabha and RSS. See, these two organizations, these two organizations main for the, these two organizations main for the INC. They thought those who are the Muslims, they thought INC only work for the interest of the Hindus and the RSS, belong to the RSS. But there are doesn't RSS is the different organizations. Hindu Mahasabha is different and RSS is different. RSS found in 1925. When 1925, Hegdewar in Nagpur. The RSS only main reason, RSS only one agenda, only main reason to the protect the national interest. To wants to become a nationalist. Those who are the people. They thought first we have the nation first and then we are the first. First nation first and then next comes whether your family all those things. Only they want to the RSS is there. Nationalist organization. What is it, Nana? Is the RSS nationalist organizations who became it. Nowadays those we can consider is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Narendra Modi, Venkaiah Naidu, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Pramod Warikar. These all those things the fellas. Prithviraj, the Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the UTCF. These all of them belong to the RSS. See, the most of the people they have the conspiracy. RSS means opposing against to the Muslim. No, it doesn't like that. RSS is not saying any word against to the Muslim. RSS is always the talk about the idea of the India. He wants to the nationalist of the India and also the protect the culture. What they protect, Nana? The culture of India. What we belongs to the culture of India, they want to the protect. This kind of the RSS is different. On the time the INC, the most of the political leader belongs to the RSS also. Right? And next we will see what kind of already the Muslim League and the RSS were formed. Then what kind of the regions led toward to win to India as a divided. Otherwise, what kind of the reasons which led toward to the Muslim League was much stronger. In the 1937, they get only 4% vote. When it comes to 1947, they 86% vote. What kind of the reasons? See, the mainly number one reason is, we can say, those reason is followed by the Britishers. That is divide and rule. What do you mean the divide? See, you can divide. When you are the unified, when you are the united, then no one has to be the win over you. No one has to be the control you. But that is not easy when you are the united. When you are the divide, that will be very easy chance to them to the you can make the conflict between you and another community. So that is the Britishers. Britishers they implemented divide and rule. See, in India, majorly we have two communities. One is the Hindus. And another one is the Muslims. See, the Britishers thought this India, if you give the independence to you, only the Hindus were they ruled. They couldn't work for the interest of the Muslim. So that's why they thought they divided the Muslim. They appraising the appeasement policies. They did appeasement means you can do whatever. If they do any wrong or right, they will be praised. Okay, you doing nice, you doing well, all those things, right? They started appeasement policies, the Muslims. They created the Muslims. You are the you are the second citizenship of second citizen in India. Why? Because so that's why you need to separate your country because you are the communities, those Muslim communities they thought. Then Muslim leagues also they form. They want to the first they enter the land, you the landlords. Then they start the interest work on the Muslims and they want the separate constituency for the Muslims. Why? Because only Muslims can have the developed Muslims. No, it's not right. Anyone can have. Anyone can those the political leader he will work for the all the people. But this kind of the illusion, this kind of the thoughts they created by the Britishers in the Muslim league. So that's why they want. So now here the divide. One is the Muslim, another is the Hindu. So these two parties were divided. Muslim is represented Muslim League and Hindus are represented INC. They thought, but in the INC is not only the Hindus party. In the INC we have the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Fakhruddin Tabji, all those things. This all belongs to the Muslim community. But India INC is represent all over India, and Muslim League represent only the Muslim. So this conflict was started between the INC and the Muslim League. When it comes to those who are the joined in the INC, those who are the joined in the Muslim League, the INC they made a restrict. If you take any membership of the Muslim League, you will be not allowed in the INC. If you represent the INC, if you represent the Muslim League, you in the future you can't contest to the INC. You can't contest the election to the INC. And INC, when the Muslim League made the coalition government with the INC were rejected. So then Muslim League thought only the INC is the work interest of the Hindus, not for the Muslims. This kind of the illusion, this kind of the conspiracy created, and finally the Muslim League and INC is divided. Same as well as Hindus and the Muslims were divided, and they get succeed. The British get succeeded by using by the divide and rule. See, but here is one funny thing. When the Muslim League created, the fourth Sindh and the northwest frontier and nowadays North Bengal, East Bengal, nowadays the East Bengal and Bombay province. East Bengal, you can say the Bombay or the Punjab province. These provinces are very less popular in that time. When the 1937, the 38 even amount in the 42 also. These amount is the very less popular in the Muslim League, See, but when it comes to the 1947, when area is a very less popular in Muslim League, and after the 10 years in 1947, that area will be separated from the India. Nowadays, northwest frontier is the province is nowadays what we call Pakistan. Pakistan. This is the nowadays the Pakistan. So this kind of the using by the divide and rule, using by the mistakes of the INC, using by the Britishers what they are provoking the Muslim League, and finally they created one separate country, that is Pakistan, where the very less they may have the very less popular. After 10 years they got a separate country. Right? See, this kind of happened. And whom do you see? To whom we have to with the British. Whom do are the quit the British from the India? Why? What this kind of all those things we can discuss in the next session. Thank you.